How to create a Google Classroom on iPad. You can create a class to assign work and post announcements to students. If your school has a G Suite for Education account, you should use that email to create your classes. However, anyone over 13 years old can create a class using a personal Google account. Create a class. Enter into Classroom app. In the bottom right corner, tap the plus button and select Create Class. Enter the class name. You can also write the other optional information, like description, grade level, class time. To enter a short description, grade level, or class time, tap Section and enter the details. To enter the location for the class, tap Room and enter the details. To add a subject, tap Subject and enter a name. Tap Create. Classroom automatically creates a class code that you can use to invite students to the class. One of the important parts for you, if you created a class on iPad, is the Settings button from the top. Click it. Here, we can edit the info we just added when we created the classroom. If you need to edit this, just do it. It is easy to do. After you updated this info, do not forget to tap on the Save button from the top. One of the essential stuff that we find on setting is the class code. This code will allow students to join the classroom. So please take this code and send it to the person who you wish to invite. You can also disable this code if you would like, or just reset the code if you click on the three dots menu near the class code. Also, you can send the invitation like a link. You have a share button near this link. Another important option is the stream settings. On the main page of the class, there is a stream section where you can get assignments, posts, and materials. If you wish to allow only teachers to post on this zone, you need to set this on the section Stream Settings. You can select so the student can post and comment. Students can only comment, or only teacher can post and comment. Depending on your need, you can choose what you wish. Also, on classwork on the stream, you can select how stream will be displayed. This is something that is best for you and your class. You can choose to show in stream attachments and details. This means all the data will be displayed on the stream. Only condensed notification will show only a summary of the info, and the person will need to enter into that post to see the details. You can also choose to hide notification for stream, but I mostly do not suggest this, as you might get your students not to see the assignment you give them. After you have done all of the updates you want, tap on the Save button from the top. You have now created a Google Classroom on iPad. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.